All right, the Palomar knot, super easy. You're gonna go in through the eye with the leader, turn around, and go straight back through the eye with that leader. All right. Now make sure you got enough line, 10 folded in half. Now you're just gonna do a basic overhand knot, like so. Make sure keep this loop a little loose at the beginning. Now with this loop of the tag in, that's a long loop, you're gonna just pull around your hook. And now you're gonna start tightening. Pull your main line through. It's gonna want to get hung up around your eye just because that's monofilament for you. You're gonna pull that up. Keep pulling it. Now you get to this point, you can really lay on it and cinch it down. The cool thing about this Palomar knot, now you have 2 wraps of line around your eye of the hook. Super strong knot.